Before we delve into the technicalities of DDoS attacks, it's crucial to understand the severe legal and ethical implications associated with them. Launching a DDoS attack is illegal and unethical. It can lead to serious consequences, including hefty fines and imprisonment. This article aims to educate readers on the methods and tools used in DDoS attacks for informational purposes only. This information is intended to help security professionals and enthusiasts understand the evolving threat landscape and build stronger defenses. Engaging in any illegal activity, including DDoS attacks, is strongly discouraged and could have severe repercussions. Remember, cybersecurity is about protection and ethical conduct. Let's use our knowledge responsibly. Imagine a popular website suddenly becoming unavailable. You try to access it, but the page won't load. This frustrating experience could be the result of a distributed denial of service or DDoS attack. In essence, a DDoS attack is like a digital traffic jam. Hackers flood a server, a computer that hosts websites or online services, with an overwhelming amount of traffic. This overload disrupts the server's ability to respond to legitimate requests, causing the website or service to crash. DDoS attacks are a serious threat to businesses and organizations of all sizes. They can disrupt operations, lead to financial losses, and damage reputation. Understanding how DDoS attacks are carried out is crucial for implementing effective defense mechanisms. As technology advances, so do the methods employed in cyber attacks. DDoS attacks are no exception. Hackers are constantly developing new and sophisticated techniques to cripple their targets. One such technique is the exploitation of Internet of Things or IoT devices. With the proliferation of smart devices, from refrigerators to security cameras, hackers are increasingly hijacking these devices to create powerful botnets. Another emerging trend is the use of artificial intelligence, or AI, to launch more targeted and evasive DDoS attacks. AI-powered botnets can adapt to defense mechanisms and amplify the impact of attacks. Cybersecurity professionals face the daunting task of staying ahead of these evolving threats and developing innovative solutions to mitigate them. Kali Linux, a Debian-based operating system, is a favorite among security researchers and ethical hackers. Known for its robust security features and extensive toolkit, it provides a comprehensive environment for penetration testing and digital forensics. It comes equipped with a vast array of tools, some of which can be used to simulate DDoS attacks for testing purposes. These tools are designed to help professionals understand the vulnerabilities in their systems and to develop strategies to mitigate potential threats. It's crucial to remember that using these tools against targets without consent is illegal. Unauthorized use can lead to severe legal consequences, including fines and imprisonment. Ethical hacking requires strict adherence to legal and ethical guidelines. One such tool is HOIC, or Low Orbit Ion Cannon, a network stress testing application capable of sending a barrage of UDP or TCP packets to a target server. HOIC is often used in stress testing to evaluate the robustness of network infrastructure under heavy load conditions. Another popular tool is HPing3, a versatile packet crafter and analyzer, which can be used to send customized packets to test firewall rules and simulate various network attacks. HPing3 is highly regarded for its flexibility and precision in crafting packets for specific testing scenarios. These tools, while valuable for ethical hacking and research, highlight the readily available resources that can be exploited for malicious purposes. The same tools that help secure networks can also be used to disrupt them if they fall into the wrong hands. Understanding how these tools work is crucial for developing effective defense strategies. By dissecting and analyzing these tools, cybersecurity professionals can better anticipate potential attacks and create more robust defenses to protect their networks and data. Weaponizing botnets: how hackers generate massive traffic. At the heart of most large-scale DDoS attacks lies a powerful weapon: botnets. These are networks of compromised computers, often numbering in the thousands or even millions, controlled remotely by hackers. Hackers infect computers with malware, turning them into obedient soldiers in their digital army. These infected machines, often unbeknownst to their owners, become part of a botnet, ready to unleash a coordinated attack on command. The sheer scale of these botnets allows hackers to generate an overwhelming volume of traffic, effectively crippling their targets. Building and maintaining botnets is a key focus for cybercriminals involved in DDoS attacks. beyond Kaylee exploring other notorious DDoS tools. In this section, we delve into the world of distributed denial of service, or DDoS, tools that are not part of the Kali Linux suite, but are equally, if not more, notorious. While Kali Linux offers a plethora of tools for network security testing, the world of DDoS attack tools extends far beyond this popular operating system. Hackers often rely on a variety of specialized tools to execute their attacks, each with unique features and capabilities. Hackers have a diverse arsenal at their disposal, each tool serving a specific purpose in their malicious endeavors. These tools are designed to exploit vulnerabilities, disrupt services, and cause significant damage to targeted networks. One such tool is the infamous Mirai botnet malware. Mirai gained notoriety for its ability to hijack Internet of Things, IoT devices, turning them into a massive botnet army. This notorious malware scans for vulnerable IoT devices, infects them, and conscripts them into a powerful botnet capable of launching massive DDoS attacks. The Mirai botnet has been responsible for some of the largest DDoS attacks in history, causing widespread disruption. Another example is HOIC, High Orbit Ion Cannon, a tool designed for launching application layer DDoS attacks. Unlike traditional DDoS tools, HOIC focuses on overwhelming the application layer of a target server. It bombards a target server with HTTP requests, attempting to overwhelm its resources and cause a denial of service. This method can be particularly effective against websites and online services, making them inaccessible to legitimate users. Understanding the capabilities of these tools is crucial for cybersecurity professionals tasked with defending against DDoS attacks. By knowing how these tools operate, security experts can develop more effective strategies to mitigate and prevent such attacks, ensuring the stability and security of their networks. The high cost of downtime, real-world impacts of DDoS attacks. DDoS attacks are not merely a nuisance, they pose a significant threat to businesses, organizations, and even governments. The consequences of a successful DDoS attack can be far-reaching and devastating. For businesses, downtime translates directly into financial losses. E-commerce websites lose revenue with every minute they are inaccessible to customers. Financial institutions face reputational damage and potential regulatory penalties if their services are disrupted. Government websites and critical infrastructure are also vulnerable to DDoS attacks, potentially disrupting essential services and causing widespread chaos. The impact of DDoS attacks extends beyond financial losses, highlighting the importance of robust cybersecurity measures. Staying ahead of the curve, cybersecurity measures for DDoS protection. In the face of evolving DDoS threats, organizations and individuals must adopt a proactive approach to cybersecurity. This means staying informed about the latest attack vectors and continuously updating defense mechanisms to counteract these threats. A multi-layered defense strategy is crucial for mitigating the risk of falling victim to these attacks. This involves not just one, but several layers of security measures working in tandem to protect the network. Implementing a robust firewall is the first line of defense. Firewalls are essential in creating a barrier between your internal network and external threats. Firewalls act as gatekeepers, filtering incoming and outgoing network traffic and blocking suspicious activity. They help ensure that only legitimate traffic is allowed through, while malicious traffic is stopped in its tracks. Intrusion detection and prevention systems, or IDPS, add an extra layer of protection, actively monitoring network traffic for malicious patterns and responding to threats in real time. These systems are designed to detect unusual activity and take immediate action to prevent potential breaches. Employing DDoS mitigation services provided by specialized security companies can provide additional protection. These companies have the expertise and resources to handle large-scale attacks that might overwhelm standard defenses. These services act as a buffer, absorbing malicious traffic and ensuring legitimate requests reach their destination. By filtering out harmful traffic, they help maintain the availability and performance of your network, even during an attack. Join the fight. Subscribe to CyberWorld YT for more cybersecurity insights. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, with new threats emerging every day. Staying informed and educated is crucial for individuals and organizations looking to protect themselves in this digital landscape. For more insights into the latest cybersecurity trends, threats, and and mitigation strategies, subscribe to Cyberworld YT. Our channel offers engaging and informative content on all things cybersecurity, empowering you to navigate the digital world safely and securely. Join our community of cybersecurity enthusiasts and professionals and stay one step ahead of the curve. Subscribe to Cyberworld YT today.